lang, 1 month pa lang siya sa bilis benta, tapos hundreds of orders na agad, at organic pa? That's wild!
Time check, alas 4, and now meron na akong sales na 56, 19,212. Yesterday talaga 108 yung orders ko. Sunod-sunod yan eh. So, since I started last October, last week nagkaroon ako ng 283 orders. So, from October hanggang ngayon, 383 orders na siya.
Grabe! 383 orders in 1 month and purely organic pa? That's every beginner's dream. Most people takes months, even years to reach that point. Pero siya, ang bilis ng growth. Ang ganda kasing system, you can really see na kapag may tamang gabay at structure, posible pala kahit nagsisimula ka pa lang.
Actually, my first month, ano lang yata, October. Wala pa akong 3 month actually. But regarding the sales now, I can confidently say that it is consistent. That's growing. It's no longer like a hobby. Hindi na siya hobby lang. It's a reliable source of online income na siya. Tapos yung my most memorable milestone, yung I finally hit my first 100 total orders. Kailan lang yun? A few days ago lang. That moment, talagang na-prove. It proved me that this online business model works. And bilis benta is solid talaga siya. Yung system is solid enough to support yung volume. So, wala na akong masabi kay bilis benta. Talagang consistent.
Alam mo yung feeling na parang dati puro duda lang, tapos bigla mong makikita na posible pala. That's the moment na parang mapapaisip ka. Minsan, hindi pala kulang sa opportunity. Kulang lang tayo sa lakas ng loob para magsimula. Hearing stories like this makes you realize lahat talaga nagsisimula sa try. You'll never know what could happen in 1 month until you actually give yourself a chance. Because sometimes, one small start can completely change how you see what's possible.